Take a ride in the 2014 XD. The squared-off Scion XD hatchback is one of the most distinctive-looking economy cars around. In government crash tests, the 2010 XD earns a perfect 5 stars in side crashes and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover resistance tests, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.